So this week, you are going to learn how to create database files and tables using SQL code. And you'll also be learning how to do the same thing using the SSMS interface. So along with creating the database and the tables, you are going to learn how to create constraints like primary keys and foreign keys. You will also learn about a clustered and a non-clustered index. So this information is in chapter 11, and make sure you go through the lecture demo because there's lots of examples and there's some interactive exercises for you to do. And then you will work on the textbook assignment, which is going to give you practice entering the SQL code. And then you'll basically learn how to do the same thing using the SSMS interface. So just two different ways of doing the same thing. And then there is a textbook assignment on that. And then you will start working on your term project. The term project is not due for a couple weeks. So it's not due this week, it's due the following week. But you may want to get a little jump on that because this is where you're going to actually create the database and you're going to create the tables with the primary and foreign keys that you're going to be using for the rest of the semester. Now, it's really important that you wait to do the creation of the database and tables until you get some feedback from me on the first milestone. Most people need their tables tweaked a little bit. And so the initial step of creating those tables is really important so that moving forward, things will work properly for you. So wait until you get that feedback from me before you start working on the term project. Also this week, we do have a unit test. It's set up similar to the other one where you get 3 attempts, open book, open note, and it's going to take your best score. The questions are similar to the types of questions you are going to see on the certification exam. Then for resources this week, a lot of students struggle a little bit with constraints. So I did include a little tutorial on that. In addition, there are slideshows that go with each chapter. And then if you wanted the solutions to the exercises that are in the chapters, I've provided those as well. If you run into problems or you have any questions, let me know and have a great week.